Alright, let's say you wanna make a video, but you don't have a good camera or you don't have one at all. Or maybe you're just too lazy to make a video yourself. Anyway, no matter what situation you are in, if you had to make a video without using your camera, I have a solution for you. It costs $0 if you can play around and dig around the internet a bit. All you need for this is a computer with an editing software and access to the internet. The one tip I'm going to give you is the stock stuff. And I do not mean company stock. If you already know what stock is, you're probably going like, Woogun, really? That is your ultimate tip? Stock? But however, you might be making the same mistake I made for last few years. Do not underestimate the power of stock stuff. I will return to its power later on. Stock refers to digital files people have uploaded online, so other people can download it for their own uses and projects. For example, if a person uploads music online and then labels it as stock music, other people can download it and then use it for their own videos. Stock has different copyright licenses than others because they are made for other people to use. Now, it is true that most stock stuff are not free. Most of them are quite expensive in my opinion actually. But they are very cool stuff you can find for free if you dig around the internet for a bit. One awesome site I know is called Pexel.com. It has all sorts of cool free videos and images you can download. Another stock site I know for free is YouTube Audio Library. It has a sorting system that lets you choose what genre of music, what instrument you want, and what mood you want, which is quite convenient for the users to find music they want. If you cannot find what you want in either of those sites, you can search keywords of what you want on Google and then add free royalty or free copyright or Creative Commons. For example, if I want to find a picture of a yellow flower, I would search yellow flower free copyright. I'll look through the images Google gives me and then find the one I want and then go to that site, check its license, and then download the picture and then use it in my own project. On Google, it's kind of harder to find videos and music while it's easier to find images. Now I'll talk about a little bit more about power of stock stuff. Most stock stuff are decent in terms of quality because they are made by people who have at least some knowledge of what they're making. The creators of the videos or pictures or music may have better equipment, better knowledge, or have something that others do not have. For example, let's use this drone footage. For this drone footage, I need a drone, dirt bike, access to that dirt road, and then skill or someone with skill of driving a motorcycle on dirt. I do not have anything of those, but obviously the creator of this footage did have access to all of those. And thanks to him, because he uploaded it and then labeled it as free stock footage, I can download it for free and then use it in my own project. However, keep in mind that you cannot pretend other people's stock is yours. Are there drawbacks to using stock? Somewhat. First, there are multiple kinds of licenses, and they are kind of hard to understand. Second, it might be hard for you to find exactly what you want. I found that especially for music, it's harder to find what I want. So I suggest that you choose your music first before you start editing and collect other stock footages and pictures. And thirdly, the stock stuff are not foolproof. You're the one editing your video. So in order for your video to be decent, your editing skill has to be decent. You should mix and match the pictures, the videos, the music you have, and try to create the best content you can make. Stock stuff are great when pieced together. I definitely recommend using stock footages, pictures, and music if you cannot create something for a reason. I recommend using Pexel.com or YouTube Audio Library, as both has awesome free cool stuff. That's the end of this video. Please press that like button and then subscribe button, and make sure to check my other videos right here. I am Woogun, and I'll see you next time.